we can see that I'm almost out. I thought this was my email because of that color. No, it's the photo color. It took up nearly half of my storage. And then I was gifted the ThePhotoStick. They sent me 2 products. So let's say we're going to connect it. I was touching down here. I hit browse and ThePhotoStick. So yeah, there's a whole bunch of different functions. Connect to Google Photos, connect with Apple, or you can just go here. So you just plug it in and you hit go. Automatically finds and sorts every photo. See? Like how it's doing right there. I just do a lot of content, especially for my Amazon storefront. But it even finds and deletes duplicates so that way you're not wasting space on 3 blurry shots of the same sunset. The best part, no Wi-Fi, no passwords, and 0 monthly fees. It's yours forever. So if you are tired of the storage full dance, this is a total life keeper. You should check it out. And then all you got to do is just disconnect it again. And close it. Easy peasy.